of biogeographic and phylogeographic histories. And these are the authors. Coming to the introduction, this field of phylogeography and biogeography study the processes that give rise to the observed geographical distribution of life. It is like the distribution that is on that they are going to study, and the methods to infer migration processes, like the migration, the way people have shifted around the stuff, and reconstruct ancestral geographical distribution that increased popularity. Now, describe distribution across space, time, and phylogenetic lineage, and consequently can be difficult to interpret because this is based also on the descendants of the ancestors. That's the reason it is a bit difficult. Phylowood is a web utility that generates interactive animations to facilitate the exploration and summarization of such complex reconstructions. Phylowood plots reconstruct geographic distribution and explores temporal dynamic through animations. It is designed for easy to use and frictionless sharing. It is entirely implemented within the web browser, requiring no further software. Now coming to the use and implementations, now this is how it is. Okay, now it is based on two parts. One is the phylogeny panel. This is the phylogeny panel. This is the phylogeny panel, and this is the geographic panel. How it looks. Now, basically, the phylogenic panel is based on, it contains a time calibrated phylogeny. It is based on the time period. Okay, and the lineage are of unique colors. These colors that you can see, these are all the descendants of the ancestors. So they are all of different colors. This will show, like here are the different colors that come from the ancestor wise, and then it shows how it is distributed. Now coming to the geographical panel, now it contains colored areas corresponding to the phylogeny lineages, and it is of continuous geographic distribution. And this thing that you can see over here, these are the buttons, animation buttons, which depends on the speed. I mean, it is the animation speed, direction, and location. These buttons repeat that. And the animation time slider shows the current time point. Like one of these buttons shows the current times, and indicates the lineages that exist at this time, which comprises target for information. Now, Phylowood allows users to mask, unmask, and